Before I get started, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and turn on notifications because I have a lot more things to give away. Okay, I just did this trade and I want to know from you whether you think it's a win, fair, or lose. I traded 3 Bat Dragons, a Ride-Only Parrot, 2 Neon Frost Furies, a Neon King Bee, a Neon Metal Ox, and a Turtle for a Neon Bat Dragon. A Neon Bat Dragon is of course comprised of 4 Bat Dragons. My offer includes 3 Bat Dragons. A Bat Dragon is currently worth about 2.25 to 2.5 Frost Dragons. So let me know down below what you think. Was this a win, fair, or lose?